Energy stored in an inductor. Consider an inductor AB of self-inductance L. When a time-varying current passes through an inductor, an EMF is induced across the ends of the inductor. The self-induced EMF is also called back EMF, which opposes any change in the current in the circuit. What is the EMF induced? E is the EMF induced, that is directly proportional to rate of change of current through the inductor according to Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, and E equal to minus L di by dt. The minus sign is in accordance with Lenz's law. Work needs to be done against the back EMF in establishing the current. How much is the work done? If dW is the elementary work done for a time dt, for EMF E and current I through the circuit during time dt, work done dW is equal to EI dt. This work done is stored as magnetic potential energy. For the current I at any instant in the circuit, rate of work done is dW by dt, which is equal to EI. So how much is the total work done in this case? We know dW equal to EI dt, and we know the EMF is L di by dt, which is the magnitude of induced EMF into I into dt, or dW equal to L I into di. Then what is the total work done when a current I passes through the circuit? Total work done is integration of L I di, which is integration of dW. So this we write after integration L into I square by 2. This work is stored in the inductor as its magnetic potential energy. Magnetic potential energy. So magnetic potential energy stored in the inductor is half Li square. If L is the inductance, self-inductance of the inductor, and I is the current passing through the inductor. Thank you.